Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the largest parish in Jamaica, which is St. Anne, and we're going to take a look at some of the top tourist destinations, or sorry, tourist attractions in Jamaica. So when the tourists come in, whether on a cruise ship or they're staying at the hotel, they like to go and take these tours. And the most popular place for attractions for tourists and locals and Jamaicans as well is Dunn's River Fall. It's the #1 attraction in Jamaica. That means it's the most visited attraction in Jamaica. And it's a waterfall, very beautiful, very nice. I think everybody in Jamaica knows it or should know it. And you can literally climb the falls. Very nice experience. It's run by the UDC and they really maintain the place really well. Okay, on the left now is Columbus Heights, which is apartments, villas that you can rent out. People own them, and it operates basically like a timeshare, or you can rent it yourself through Airbnb. Very popular, a lot of apartments up there, and that's the kind of thing why Ocho Rios is like a very popular tourist destination. You don't have to stay at the hotels, you can stay in a apartment or Airbnb, and all the major attractions in Jamaica, the top 3 are in Ocho Rios. Okay, now on the right we're just passing the cruise ship pier, which is, it used to be a dockside pier, but that's where the cruise ships come in and the people come off and walk into the town. And naturally there's security out there to make sure everybody's okay when the cruise ships come in. Now over there is the Ocho Rios port, or the fort, sorry. It's a historic site. But you would think Ocho Rios being such an important thing in the tourist industry, they would have built a port or a pier like what they have in Trelawney, in Falmouth. Really surprising that they're using that one, but it works. The ships come in and persons use it. But perhaps in the short future, somebody or the government, or along with some private entity, maybe could build a proper pier. Okay, so now the 3 main tourist attractions in Jamaica, the 3 most visited. #1 is Dunn's River. #2 is Dolphin Cove, and that is where you can literally swim with the dolphins. They have shows, all sorts of things, very nice. And #3 is Mystic Mountain, where you can go on a zip line through the hills, through the trees, very nice. Okay, on the left is the Mystic Mountain entrance. This is a driving tour, so we're not really going to be going into the facilities, but we'll just show you where this is. This is Mystic Mountain. This is the entrance. Very nice facility. And you can see the parking lot has a space for the buses, the tour buses to come in.